This is the easiest AI service you can sell right now. Most people think you need to build complex automations or AI agents to make money with AI. Well, you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and sell prompt libraries, a simple, powerful service that most AI experts completely overlook. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm giving you a real prompt library with actual prompts you can use as a blueprint. So here's what I see happening all the time. Someone decides they want to start an AI business. So they go straight to building automations. They spend weeks learning Make, Zapier, N8N, trying to connect 5 different tools together. Then something breaks. A webhook fails, an API changes, a client asks for one small tweak, and the whole thing falls apart. Now they're stuck debugging instead of getting paid. And the worst part, most of them never even sign a client because the thing they're trying to sell is too complicated to explain. The client doesn't understand what they're getting, and the entrepreneur can deliver it reliably, and everyone walks away frustrated. You've probably felt this yourself. You know AI can make money, but every path you tried feels way harder than it should be. That's because you're overcomplicating it. There are simpler ways to make money, and it's not what most people are teaching. Today, we're looking at one of them, and it's called a prompt library. I've been building my AI business for the past 3 years. I tried selling automations, I tried building agents, but here's what actually happens. I made more money and delivered better results with simple prompt libraries than with any complex automation I ever built. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. So what is a prompt library? Well, it's a collection of ready-to-use prompts built for a specific business and a specific role. Think of it like a playbook. Instead of giving a client one tool that does one thing, you give them a system of prompts that covers their entire workflow. Content creation, customer emails, sales script, onboarding, docs, whatever they need, there's a prompt for it. The client opens the library, picks a prompt, pastes it into their LLMs, it could be ChatGPT, Claude, and gets the result in seconds. No complex setup, no broken integration, no complex maintenance, and that's what makes it so powerful. So let me walk you through how to actually build one. The first step is to choose the tool. You need somewhere to store and organize the library. I personally use Notion. It's clean, it's easy to share, and clients already know how to use it. You could also use Google Docs or Airtable, but Notion makes it simple to group prompts by category and keep everything in one place. Please don't overthink this part, pick a tool and move on. The next step is to understand their business. This is the most important step and the one most people skip. You need to run what I call an AI audit. Sit down with the clients, look at their daily operations, and figure out where they're wasting time on repetitive tasks. The goal here is to spot every generic task where a well-written prompt could save them hours. Email replies, social media captions, proposal drafts, onboarding checklist. Those are good examples. The better you understand their business, the more valuable your library becomes. The third step is to simply create the prompts. Each prompt needs to be specific, structured, and ready to use right away. Don't write something vague like write me a blog post. Write a prompt that includes the tone, the audience, the format, and the exact goal. The more detailed the prompt, the better the output. And the output is what the client is paying for. Don't worry, I will give you additional knowledge on prompt engineering in the prompt library example I've prepared for you. The important thing is to build enough prompts to cover the core workflows. Then organize them into clear categories inside your Notion workspace. Add short descriptions so the client knows exactly when and how to use each one. And finally, you need to improve and monitor the prompts. This is where most people stop, and it's exactly where the real money starts. Prompts aren't a set it and forget it thing. Some will work great from day one. Others will need tweaking after the client tests them. Stay close to the results. Check in with the clients, see what's landing and what's falling flat, and update the library. AI models change, business evolve, and your prompts should evolve with them. This is also what turns a one-time project into a recurring relationship. You're not just delivering a document, you're becoming their AI partner. And that's one offer worth way more than any automation you could build. So here's what most people get wrong about AI businesses. They think the value is in the complexity. Well, it's not. The value is in the results. Your client doesn't care if the solution took you 5 minutes or 5 weeks to build. They care that it works. A prompt library takes a fraction of the time to build compared to a complex agent, and the client uses it every single day. That's the shift. So stop building what sounds impressive and start building what actually gets used. So let's quickly recap. A prompt library is a collection of ready-to-use prompts built for a specific business. You build one by choosing a tool, auditing the client's workflows, writing detailed prompts, and staying close to the results over time. And you don't need complexity to deliver real value, you need something that works. Now, I put together a full prompt library example with real prompts you can use as a starting point. It's completely free inside the Shift, my free community. The link is in the description. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to grab your free blueprints. And in the meantime, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.